TPM Series Thermoplastic Premelter flat deck trailers from Dispensing Technology Corporation are proudly made in the USA. The trailers carry certification from the National Association of Trailer Manufacturers, and they meet all of the Federal Highway Administration and SAE rules and regulations for over-the-road trailers. The TPM series of trailers are available in single and dual melter configurations with capacities of 1,000 or 1,500 pounds. They're also available with propane or diesel-fired melters and come standard with a wealth of features designed with you and your crews in mind. Today, we're featuring the TPM-1500 flat deck trailer with propane-fired melters and power pack. Mechanical features include 14,000-pound gross vehicular weight rating. The trailer is 101.5 inches wide with a 16-foot-long flatbed. Overall length is approximately 21 feet. Comes with Dexter quality slipper-style axles with electric brakes on all wheels. Durable 3/16 diamond plate decking. An adjustable C-channel hitch mount for your choice of pintle hitch or 2 5/16 inch ball hitch. A 7-pin trailer connector with troubleshooting lights in the connector. Safety chains are rated for 16,000 pounds each, per SAE and federal specifications. The trailer is equipped with a 12,000-pound spring-loaded trailer jack for stability while loading trailer. Fully integrated hydraulic power packs are supplied in either diesel or propane configurations depending on the choice of fuel for the melter. Load tie-downs can be mounted in any configuration needed or shipped loose per customer requirements. Curbside loading gate swings open a full 180 degrees for easy access and loading. Optional liftgate allows the operator to load hand carts, grinders, and other equipment without the need for a forklift at the job site. This is a powerful system. Equipped with 50 state EPA and CARB-compliant engines, the engine drives a pressure-compensated hydraulic pump to turn the lid-mounted full-sweep agitator. The agitator is equipped with 2 paddles and an auger to facilitate homogeneous heating and aid in a faster melt rate. Each melter is equipped with a low-speed, high-torque hydraulic motor for effective and efficient use of hydraulics and agitator speed. The agitator valve has a forward and reverse handle for controlling the direction of the agitator, as well as a speed control valve which controls the speed of each agitator independently. Fuel is supplied by 2 100-pound propane tanks that are plumbed in parallel and secured with ratcheting chain binders for stability and safety. Easy to use and maintain. All controls and pressure gauges are conveniently located for the operator to troubleshoot if necessary. The battery is conveniently located for easy access. The hydraulic system has a 10-gallon capacity and an easily accessed hydraulic filter. The power distribution box, included with optional lighting package, provides tidy organization of wiring. Fuses are easy to replace using standard automotive ATC or ATO fuses. All axles and wheels are equipped with Easy Lube axles for easy service access. The slide-out burner tray makes it easy to access for routine maintenance, such as cleaning the burner jets. A quick release pin allows the gate to be opened for quick access to the trailer deck. Superior safety features include a UL-rated over-temperature digital safety system. The temperature control box has a digital electronic thermostat for precise temperature control that features an over-temperature safety switch and a redundant propane valve that activates if the material exceeds the safety switch set point. All trailers are made with rectangular steel tubing and are equipped with a 12,000-pound spring-loaded jack. A splash-resistant safety loading door keeps material away from your crew. The loading door is equipped with an easy-to-use safety slam latch. Anti-splash wings on the dispensing chute provide extra safety for the operator when dispensing material from the tank to the applicator. The tanks are plumbed to a manifold which feeds a high-pressure regulator. All propane is conveyed to the melters at the back of trailer at low pressure for safety. All units are equipped with rain caps and wind deflectors that help prevent blowout from wind. These can be removed or reoriented depending on the direction the vehicle is traveling. All melters are equipped with a hardened, heavy-duty knife valve. All trailers are equipped with a battery-powered safety device that, in the event of separation from the vehicle, applies the brakes automatically to stop the trailer swiftly to avoid accidents. There are 2 conveniently located switches that operate all of the optional safety lights. All trailers are equipped with 2 properly rated fire extinguishers. Every trailer comes standard with safety rails on each side of the material loading area. Trailers include a Tommy liftgate that is equipped with a safety interlock to prevent inadvertent operation. If you need a different size or configuration, please let us know. We're happy to put together other sizes or different capacity trailers to match your specifications. Other optional features include, but are not limited to, solar-powered batteries that feature an automatic charging switch-off once they're fully charged. Title 13 LED strobes and other options are available. The work area lights are available in many configurations to best suit your specific workflows. Keep your focus on production and not on machine operation. Versatile, heavy-duty Premelters from DTC come standard with a wealth of safety features and accessories designed with you and your crews in mind. Learn more or order today at www.dispensingtech.com.